Hey there, hey, Dr. Yaz here. This mini workshop is designed specifically for returning adult learners. Uh, what does that really mean? You want to know if this mini workshop is for you? Well, this workshop is for adults who are going back to school. So if you're getting your GED, HSED, or a bachelor's or a master's, even if you are in a doctoral program, this workshop is going to be for you. In this workshop, we will explore how to identify and understand your motivation for returning to get those degrees and credentials you've been dreaming of getting. We will also delve into the process of creating a plan for success. Throughout the workshop, you will discover practical strategies, examples, and valuable insights to help you navigate your educational journey. So, I strongly suggest you grab a notebook and jot down some quick yet very useful notes. So, full disclosure, I didn't comb my hair. It takes a lot to work with 4C hair to make it cute to be on camera, and I didn't feel like doing it. So, I don't think you need to actually see me. Just know I don't have a whole bunch of money. This isn't some AI generated voice. This is me actually giving you this presentation. So, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So, discovering your why. Do you truly understand the significance of finding your motivation for returning? The significance of finding your motivation for returning to school is crucial as it provides the drive and purpose needed to overcome challenges, stay focused, and achieve academic success. I think now is a good time to grab that notebook. I'm going to start mentioning some things that you probably want to jot down. So I encourage you right now to at least take a moment to reflect on your personal reasons for pursuing further education. So let's see. Think of 3 of your top reasons for going back to school. Some examples or some common examples of motivators can be career advancements, personal growth, fulfilling a lifelong dream, or even setting an example for family. It is important to evaluate these reasons in relation to personal goals and aspirations. So if you're thinking about it, it's like, family, career advancement, more money. These are different things that may motivate you internally or externally on what you're trying to accomplish. Now, I want to emphasize the significance of setting clear and achievable goals. Identifying your motivation, start by understanding why you are returning. Is it to enhance your career prospects, pursue a new passion, or gain new skills? For example, imagine your motivation is to switch your career to environmental sustainability and to make a positive impact on the planet. Goal setting is going to turn your why into concrete objectives. You'll want to develop an action plan for each objective. So you're going to want to set long-term goals. Once you have your motivation, establish a long-term goal that reflects it. In our previous example, your goal could be to obtain a degree in environmental science or a related field. Then break it down. Dividing your long-term goal into smaller, manageable objectives helps maintain focus. For instance, you can set objectives like completing specific courses on sustainability, attending workshops or conferences, or participating in field research. Next, create deadlines. Establishing deadlines adds accountability. For example, set a timeline to finish certain courses within a designated time frame, or have a specific number of field research experiences completed by a particular date. Also, it is key to make your goals measurable. Ensure your objectives are quantifiable with clear indicators to track progress. For instance, you could aim to complete 3 sustainability related courses per semester or accumulate a specific number of volunteer hours in the field. Last, stay motivated. Continuously remind yourself of your initial motivation. Create a vision board or keep a journal to document your progress, successes, and lessons learned. Surround yourself with like minded individuals who share your passion and can provide support. Ooh, this is a great time to sound hip. Keep the haters to the side and roll with the people in your lane. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I encourage you to share your objectives and your action plans in any form of the chats that you can follow me on. I would love to hear what you have, but I would especially love it if you gave me a call and we could talk about it. Something that is going to be a pivotal aspect of your learning plan is understanding your learning styles and preferences. Understanding your learning style can enhance your educational experience. There are several learning styles, and I am a strong believer that we have multiple learning styles. It just depends on the learning environment on which learning style we lean towards in that moment. There are, however, three key learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer learning through visuals, such as diagrams, charts, or images. Auditory learners learn best through auditory stimuli, such as listening to lectures or participating in discussions. Kinesthetic learners learn by engaging in hands-on activities and physical movements. For example, I have ultimately provided all three of these during this presentation so far already. The visual learners, you got a couple of pictures and the words on the screen. For auditory, you get to hear my voice. Kinesthetic learners, there's not quite hands-on activities, but there is an opportunity for you to have some form of hands-on activities with a drawing or a variety of things, and that's with watching this video until the end to get your free learning styles bundle. So I want to give you a shout out right now. If you've made it into this far, you've clicked the link, you've responded to me to get to this video, and now you've made it to this point, clearly you are interested in making advances to reaching your goals. So I got to give you a shout out, right? I have to do that because, again, I am an education empowerment coach. So I'm going to try and pump you up the best way that I can. So for hanging in there and taking notes and piquing your interest in reaching your goals, I just had to give you this shout out. But again, this is just a mini workshop. So you can get more in-depth and live versions of workshops where I will do my hair and try and look kind of cute and I'll be on camera. And I do this for Taco Tuesday, the lunchtime learning bite-sized workshops. Each Tuesday in November, I will be doing these mini workshops, and they're going to talk about the critical skills, the critical thinking skills, the study skills, and other ways for you to just balance your life to make sure that you can handle what's going on in your very busy, hectic lives, but still achieve your goals. I also want to mention that because you are such an awesome person, I'm going to give you a free copy of the Learning Styles Bundle. This bundle will make you immediate changes in the way you understand yourself and those around you. This bundle not only covers learning styles, but also relating styles. This bundle has benefits and can support you on your educational journey, and it can do it today. And you get it, just hang in there. We're almost done with this video. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. So you're probably wondering though, how can I help you? So let me reintroduce myself. I am Dr. Yasmin Thomas, but everyone calls me Dr. Yaz, and I'm an adult education empowerment coach. I help returning adult learners balance work, academics, and family personal life to help them be successful in each of those areas. I can help you kickstart your dream with a free clarity call to tailor a learning plan for success. The benefits of education empowerment coaching. You're probably like, well, what exactly is that? You would receive guidance on setting your goals, managing your time, and assessing your resources. You gain insights into your strengths, areas for growth, and learning strategies. And I will help you because we were going to create a customized roadmap to reach your educational aspirations with confidence and clarity. So how can you do this? Quick, simple, easy. All you got to do is you can go to the website, uhuruforus.com, or you can click the link that's provided somewhere at the end of this video or underneath this video somewhere. Not that tech savvy, so I'll figure out where it is. But you can click on any of these links and it will take you to a form, very simple form. All you got to do is just give me your contact information and select the dates and the time that you want to do our 30-minute clarity call. And I will confirm with you and we'll have 30 minutes. And I promise in those 30 minutes, we can come up with a plan that is going to make things rock and roll to make your dreams come true, especially when it comes to your educational aspirations. But hey, you don't have to take just my word for it. Here's just one of my recent sessions with Jamal. They were giving an update and I stopped them and say, wait. I got to record whatever it is you are about to say. I asked permission and boom, here they are saying the truth about the Dr. Yaz method. On this. Okay, so Jamal, give me an update. What's going on with the class that you're presently in right now?
Yeah. We are in I think week 4, and I just submitted my like pre-prospectus that goes over like the entire like chapter 1 basically, except for the theoretical framework. I was like kind of nervous, but after I submitted it, I was like waiting for feedback. I was reading through it, and she was like, "There's really nothing to change." So thank you so much for like all of your help, like prepping it and putting it together and like all the edits and things. I was like, oh, we're ready for this.
Yes, we are. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah.
Ready. Oh, no, I'm really excited to hear that. So I'm glad that planning, right?
Mhm.
Listening, I broke it down so it made sense and you actually grasped what I said and you were able to work with it.
Yes, and no, like for our class, she splits us into like smaller subgroups. So we give like peer-to-peer feedback on things. And then when I was showing the other person in my like little group, they were like, "Can I just copy yours as an example of like what to do?" And I was like, "What?"
Yes,
Thank you so much.
that's what's up.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so glad that it worked.
Yes, and like when we were going through her stuff, I was like, this is like some of the information I was told like over the summer, like some ideas. Here's like a little twist we could potentially like throw into like your dissertation as well if you want to. And she was like, this is really good advice. And I was like, that's the Dr. Yaz method.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's it.
Not the tears.
That's the tear. It's right there.
So,
Because that's success. Because we are narrowing down to the end of our sessions. So to
yeah.
hear that really makes me feel like, all right,
Yes.
we did that. We did that. More importantly, you
Literally.
did it because I don't do anything. I make you do all the work, but you most certainly did that.
Yes, well, you guided me through the process and like gave me the structural pieces and like feedback, and like it wasn't necessarily of like this is what you need to do, but like have you thought about it this way, or like what it would look like for from this perspective? And I was like, oh, that's really really helpful. And even when we were
Yes.
doing like our elevator speeches and stuff, I remember the first time that we met, I it was like 5 sentence, well, it was like almost like a 5 minute like little tangent on like what I was hoping to study. And when we went through in class, I was like, here's my 3 sentences. And people were like, have you been practicing this? And I was like, yes.
Just a little bit. Just a
I've gotten a
little
lot of
prep.
support.
Just a little prep.
Yes.
That is what's up. I'm
Yes.
so glad it worked. I'm so glad it worked. So that's what I just wanted to capture some of that at least so we could say that so we could stop recording now and continue on with our actual session.
Oh, yes.
So, if you want to be able to feel empowered like I just had Jamal feeling, or like you saw Lizelle, who also has, or even if you've gone on to the website and this isn't necessarily the first time you've heard anything about me, just know that you can take the next steps towards your academic success. Just schedule a free clarity call with me today. Unlock your potential, overcome obstacles, and thrive in your educational journey. So, again, quick Done, easy, couple of great tips for you. But I want to thank you for exploring the idea of your why, learning styles and preferences, and the benefits of education empowerment coaching. Remember, embracing your unique learning style and seeking guidance from a coach can accelerate your progress. Schedule your clarity call, empower yourself, and achieve your educational goals. And just in case you wanted to know, for the price of three tacos, y'all, you can get the skills you need to succeed as an adult learner. So every Tuesday in the month of November, I will be doing a lunchtime learning so that you can get these little bite-sized bits of information to help you across your journey in your education. So please sign up. Cost of three tacos. I like tacos. For the price of buying me some tacos, I will just drop these jewels and the gems of knowledge. I was trying to sound hip. I don't know if it came out right. But listen, just trust and believe. Be there, okay? Register. Register for your clarity call. Register for Taco Tuesday. Just come on, y'all. Holla at me. Let's get these goals. Let's get these dreams. Let's get it popping. See you on the other side.